So you're saying there's no difference? Are you saying there's a difference? Like, is there a difference? If you want to know, please continue to watch. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much, and welcome back. Today, we are talking about a legend. A legend turns 10. Yes, you guessed it. We are talking about Creed AVENTUS men. I know I'm always talking about Creed AVENTUS for her, for the women, but today I am talking about Creed AVENTUS. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is such an amazing cologne. Yes, yes, and yes. If you've been watching the channel for any amount of time, you know that I love this cologne. Yes, I have a 2.5 story time to tell you how I stumbled upon this cologne. You guys, it is a long story. I promise you, I am going to make it short. Allow me the 2.5. I have to give you the backstory so that you can get the front of the story. Okay, here we go. I was working in the office during this time, and I had a new general manager that was coming into our club who was going to take over. We were all going down to meet him, and it was our first time ever meeting him. Everybody was going to meet down in the conference room. So of course I was getting down there, and the whole time I'm getting down there, I kept smelling something, and I'm like, what is that smell? And nobody knew what I was talking about. I was like, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? I don't smell anything. And I'm like, okay, well, whatever. So we're all in the conference room. The guy comes up, introduces himself, tells us, you know, the vision he had, yada, yada, yada. You know how people do when they take over, right? So the whole entire time, every time he was moving, he's a hand talker like I am. Girl, fix your hair. He's a hand talker like I am, right? So every time he was moving, I'm sitting front row and center, I would get a whiff of it. I'm like, oh my God, it's him. So we're heading back. The meeting's over. Meeting adjourned. Damn. Boom. Go. So we're heading back, right? Everybody's going back to their office, wherever they're going. And I'm following the trail. I'm following the scent bubble. I'm following the smell. And so I go, and I guess he probably thought like, girl, this girl is like really bold. She's just coming up already. Like, what do you have to say? And so I said, hi, I'm Cheraye, blah, 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 introduce myself, what have you. And I said, I'm sorry. I said, I just couldn't help but wonder, what fragrance are you wearing? You smell so good. And he looked at me like, what in the world? And he was like, it's Creed. And I'm like, I had never heard of it. And I'm like, Creed? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, I've never heard of that. And he goes, yeah. He goes, it's a niche brand. He goes, it's really pricey, but yeah, it's Creed. And there are a few of them. And so he wrote it down. He was so kind and everything like that. And so I'll never forget, I looked it up. And then once I seen the price tag, I was like, oh, okay. So that's how I fell in love with the brand Creed. That is how I fell in love with the Creed AVENTUS. As soon as he told me what he had, I had to run out and get that for my guy. And I was so thrilled when they reached out to me from the Creed boutique to ask me if they could send this over for a review. I was like, yes, yes, and yes. Guys, this is it. Can you see how beautiful this is? This is like a little glass here. It is so super gorgeous. I believe this comes out for just PR. But this here is a 10-year anniversary limited edition, and just get a load of this, you guys. When it came to presentation, okay, get a load of this. Look at this. Look at this. Do you see this here? How gorgeous is this? If you follow me on Instagram, I have already Instagrammed this and showed it to you guys. This is what you're going to receive when you buy it in store. You're going to get the bottle, and of course you're going to get the box, and of course the bottle. And I'm just going to take it out just to tell you and show you a little bit about the bottle, because it is a little different. It is a limited edition. Let me show it to you up close. So this is what the bottle looks like up close and personal, you guys. It is a gorgeous bottle. It's a little different. Of course, it's got the 10-year mark on there, being the 10-year anniversary. And then it does have these nice little triangles on it going around it and everything like that. And they're very texturized as well. They're little texturized triangles. It's not flat. It is some detail going on in there. And then if you can see it here, it does have the silver cap, and then it is black at the top. So I really do like the bottle. I love how it says the 10th anniversary. So this is what the bottle looks like. And then you will get your commemorative box, as well as your cologne will be inside. This is probably what it's going to look like in store. This recently came out. I know you can order it off of Creed Boutique if you wanted to get it right now. It also will be in stores, I believe, after October 4th. So check your local department stores for that. But this here, oh my gosh, it's just the scent, you guys. It's the scent for me. It's the scent trail. It's the scent bubble. This is long lasting. This is beast. This is projection. This is good. This is a 10 of a 10. This is a masterpiece. They did that. Okay. From a father to a son, a legend turns 10 years anniversary. That is awesome. I feel so excited to be a part of this. So to the people at Creed, shout out to you. Thank you so much for sending this over. I truly, truly appreciate it. It is definitely going to to be used, okay? I'm giving this to my guy. I don't know if a woman, I've tried to wear this before, and for me, it's a bit much. I really love how it smells on a guy, though. I told you, I tracked that guy down. I was like, what are you wearing? I have got to get that for my guy. So this is this one, you guys. I don't know about the whole batch code and more smoky, more pineapple. Okay? I'm going to tell you, it smells good. I have the original one that we bought. I don't know what batch code, whatever, but this is this one here. And you can see it is definitely heavily dented. So he definitely uses this. I absolutely love it. And let me just tell you the notes that I have here. Okay. This is what came with it. The notes that it says it has in this one. Okay. I believe they are the same. I smelled them both. I did a little bit of a comparison. We all know the popular pineapple note that's inside this fragrance. So let me give you a few of the keynotes that it has, that it says that it has in it here, which is bergamot, blackcurrant leaves, apple, pineapple, pink berries, birch. It has patchouli, jasmine. Base notes has oak moss, ambergris, musk, and vanilla. And it is good. Yes, I had to say it. It is good. Love this fragrance. I am going to go ahead and just spray it here just to see, you know, what I feel about it now. I've already done like a wear test on it, but let's spray it and just give it a spray. It's just sexy. It's just sexy. It takes me right back to the first time I smelled it. When he wore it into the office, I was like, OMG. That's something that stops you in your track. I couldn't even focus on the meeting. I couldn't focus on what he was saying. The whole time I was just like, it's him. It's him that smells like that. And not only that, he rocked this fragrance so well because he dressed the part that went with it. When I think of a guy that would wear this, I would think of a well-groomed, shaved, clean cut. Okay, I don't care what your hair looks like. Okay, do your hair however you feel. But I just think of a well-groomed, manicured, well-dressed type guy, down to the shoes. You know, it's all in the shoes for me. It's all in the details, the watch, the shoes, the blazer. I don't know if we're going out, you got leisure wear on. This fragrance can go. It doesn't have to be worn dressy. It could be worn, my guy have worn this to like a Laker game before. We've worn it. We've worn it to a fancy dinner. We've worn it to a movie and date. It can just get it. It can be worn day or night. It's all in how you present the fragrance, what you're doing with it, whether you want to dress it up, whether you want to dress it down, whether you want to make it casual, whether you want to wear it on a date night, whether you want to wear it, you know, with the guys to hang out. I mean, on guys night, do guys have guys night? I don't know. My guy doesn't do a whole lot of guy nights, so I don't know. But if guys are doing guys night, this is something you can wear. I'm telling you this. I don't go to the clubs, okay? I'm not a club kind of girl, but a club, a lounge, you wear this, somebody is going to definitely say, excuse me, sir. They're probably not going to say, can I take you out tonight? They're probably not going to say that, guys. But they might say, excuse me, sir, like I did. What are you wearing? That's a conversation piece. This is the kind of fragrance you want to reach for when you want to know, what am I reaching for? What's going to smell good? What's going to do it? What's going to solidify the deal, secure the bag, get the job done? You want to reach for Creed. Creed AVENTUS. You want to reach for Creed. It is good. Let me give you, did I write myself any more notes about it? Yeah, so you guys, you can find this. This is 100 ml. I believe that this retails, this is 100 ml. I believe it retails for $435. Back up. Say it again. Yes, I believe that this retails for $435. You guys, this is 100 ml in here. It is good. It is a niche brand. They do fragrance like nobody else's business. They do fragrance right. They just get it right. I believe this debuted and came out in 2010. It's a legendary fragrance for a reason, and it turns 10. Okay, this is the 10th anniversary legendary fragrance, Creed AVENTUS. It is in stores. Make sure you check out your local department stores if you are looking for it. You can also check for Creed Boutique online. I'm going to leave all of the information in the description box below. Thanks again, Creed, for sending this over. I truly appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer them. Make sure you are following me over on Instagram. I recently did a Reels on my Instagram featuring this. It's really cool. I'm proud of the work that I did. So you guys go over there, show it some love, and check it out. I'll leave my Instagram handle somewhere up here. So make sure you're following me. I don't talk about guy fragrances all the time, but I do talk about guy fragrances, okay? Because I talk a lot about unisex fragrances. So guys, if it's your first first time, hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy the vibe and you like the content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell. So that is it. That is my quick opinion / review story time on Creed AVENTUS. I love the fragrance. Before they even sent it over, I already have my own bottle of it as well. I absolutely love it. I back it 110%. It is from a father to a son, a legendary fragrance. 10 years, I can definitely see why it is where it is. It is good. Masterpiece. 10 out of 10. I dropped the mic. I said what I said. I'm not taking it back. I don't know about batch codes. I don't know smokier, hotter, heater. I can't tell you all that. What I can tell you is that it smells amazing. That is it, you guys. If you like the vibe and you enjoy the content, please go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. If you want to ensure that you never miss a video over here, go ahead and smash that bell. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, stay fabulous. Wear your mask, don't forget to vote, and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.